High beams, if you push the stick forward and the blue light comes on, then that turns your high beams on. You just turn it back off like that. We have message maintenance message there. You want to change that, so you see the arrow in the top right hand corner. It matches the one on your steering wheel there on the left side. You push that, and it gives you back your So they'll ask you to see your license. Do you have it on you? You want this? Here, I got it for you. After they check your documentation, then they'll do a little circle check. I'll go through the checklist there with you.